this video, we're going to be talking about how to hide group members in the Telegram group. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, open your Telegram. You need to go ahead and have met a couple of requirements in order to do so. So first is going to be 100+ members required. This feature is only available for a large group with 100 or more members. If you, even with this setting enabled, administrators will always be visible to everyone as explained. And now, finally, it is not possible on a small group. So if your group is smaller than 100 people, there is no direct feature to hide members. So in order to go ahead and do so, all you need to do is open your Telegram group. And once you've opened your group, tap on the name at the top of your group. And once you've done that, tap on the edit or pencil icon in the top right, and then tap on members and toggle on the hide members option. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.